Hey guys, Glenn Murray. Welcome to my Email List Ninja review. This is a really cool product that you can actually. There's a ton of stuff. It's a full training course. There's also it comes with a sales page. It comes with a lead magnet. It comes with a video series. It comes with all these cool things. So basically, okay, first off, make sure you hit subscribe if you're new to my channel. My name is Glenn Murray. I do lots of reviews on software. Now, this is for people that want to learn how to make an email list. They want to know what is an email list, what is list building. When someone says they're list building, what is list building marketing? Like what actually is an email list? The list building strategies, list building job descriptions, list building services, how to build an email list for free, list building and publishing, and email list building. Basically, this is all about email list building. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through, I put some bonuses together for you, some very cool bonuses, and then I'm going to show you the sales page, and we're going to talk about what the product is and how it works and how you can get it for yourself to sell it for yourself. You can sell it for, you could just promote it yourself, or you could sell it, but I would really just go in and use the information and sell it. All right, so we're gonna go down here. This is the bonuses. So I'm gonna be giving you my affiliate money machine. This is a done for you business in a box. So again, very similar to Email List Ninja. This is it's a training course and a business, and it's all in one, and you can sell it just like as your own. You're gonna get the basically. 5 million PLR articles. So when you're list building, you need lots of content, and this has got 5 million PLR articles and 500 stock images that you can use to build your list out with. So you'll never run out of content. Especially if you're using that with AI now, with Chat GPT kind of thing, you could combine them together, go in and take a sentence or one piece of the article, and then have the AI write a whole new article for you. I'm going to give you 20 internet marketing product giveaways. So those are products that you can give away, effective content marketing strategy, and then the bonuses that they're going to be giving away. So what is Email List Ninja? Discover the step-by-step blueprint to building a thriving email list and increase your profits today. So it's a comprehensive A to Z 12-part email marketing course. This course is huge, guys. I'm looking through it. It's massive. Now it's got a written portion of it, so you can just read through it. Or I think there's an upgrade for a couple of bucks, and you can have it all the video series done. It's totally up to you. And then the other upsell is 950 emails, promo emails already written for you. So that's really cool. So do you feel like you're spinning your wheels trying to make a profit online, not getting the returns you would like to see from paid advertising sources such as Facebook ads? Are you struggling to build a loyal audience? So build an email list, guys. The ROI on an email list is 4,300%. It's ridiculous. And everyone says, oh, people don't check emails. People click emails every single day, guys. People open my emails every day. They click and they buy stuff. 91% of consumers check email daily. When surveyed, companies say that email marketing is more profitable than PPC, content marketing, display advertising, mobile ads, social media marketing, direct marketing, affiliate marketing. So remember, what happens? Someone needs to be exposed to something 7 to 13 times before they make an informed purchase, right? So if they're on TikTok and they see some video that tells them to go check out that product, well, they're going to have to see that product, anywhere from 7 to 13 more times is the statistics. And how do you get them back to that product? You email them. You collect their email and you email them. This is the whole thing. That's why email marketing is so effective. 1/3 of consumers say that they open their emails on a basis of the subject line alone. As you can see, this is a form of marketing that's truly gigantic ROI. How to get started with email marketing. So this is a 12-part step-by-step. Now you're going to get the course. You're going to get the point-by-point checkpoint. So or the checklist, and checklists are really good to follow, guys, because you're going through and there's a lot of information. But if you have a checklist, you go, yep, did step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, as opposed to going through and pulling those out of the course material. You're going to have a cheat sheet. Top sites, blogs, forums, tools, apps, all that stuff that you're going to need. Going to give you a mind map, so you'll get an instant refresher of all the major points. So it's always, what you're doing. It's not just guessing. And then we've got special bonuses. We've got 101 fill in the blank email subject lines, ultimate done for you autoresponder email promos. So that's a 30-day email promo auto series. There's 100 autoresponders email messages. The email gold mine, another 100. So that's a different one. So those are the bonuses. And you pick this all up for $27. This is an ebook, guys. You can turn around and sell this for $27 and keep all the profits. Now, it comes with this awesome done for you sales page that's already done. All you need to do is change this button to a PayPal or a Stripe button, and it's done. If you don't know how to do that, go on Fiverr. Someone can do it for $5 for you. They change that into a PayPal button or a Fiverr button, and now you've got this you can sell. Now, how do you get people to this page? Look at, they give you a free report to give away. So this, you just hook up with your autoresponder, and boom, you get that to give away. So that is the that is what Email List Ninja is all about. Let me come back on here. So my overall opinion of it is a great course. Great price, $27 for just getting like if you wanted someone to go make you a sales page, you wanted to sell a PLR, like that would probably cost you just to do all that programming and all that stuff, really like $100. So you can pick this up for $27 and have the whole thing done for you. Like it's done for you. You just have to put the button in. And if you don't know how to do that, you could just Google how do you add a payment button to an HTML, and you can put that on anything, guys. You can put that onto any web server, anything like that. Very, very easy to do. If you have any problems with it, message me. I can even help you do it. It's not a big deal. It's simple to do. Put up these pages like this. The course is really extensive, guys. It's very step by step. Adding the video component to it might be easier for some of you. Some of you like to read and absorb the information that way. Some of you need to watch and listen. So yeah, that's the choice is up to you. I'm going to leave my bonus page up here for a few days, so definitely go check it out. If you have any questions, message me. If you want to know what my number one business is online, as you can probably tell, it's affiliate marketing, down below, go check it out. It's another comprehensive course about marketing. That one is a free course. There is there's an opportunity to upsell and have a complete business plan done for you. And there's an opportunity to actually participate in promoting that company. So it's very, very cool. That's the one below. I think it's the best one. It's taught me everything I know. But this, so if Email List Ninja is not for you, then go check that out. But I highly recommend Email List Ninja because it's just another arsenal. Like if you watch my videos, guys, the more stuff you have online, the more people you're going to get on your email list. The more people you get on your email list, the more things you're going to sell. That's the bottom line. Done. Bottom line. The more people you can get onto your email list, the bottom line is. And one more extra bonus, since you've made it to the end here. If you want to use my bonus page, my exact bonus page, I message me. You got to do it. You got to message me and talk to me. I will show you how you can put it into the software that I use, and you can put it right in and deliver it and use my bonus page. And you can actually change it to be a bonus page for anything you want. You just change out the title, and it's very, very simple to do. And it can be, you could use this over and over and over and promote products every single day just by changing out a couple of things on that bonus page. All right, guys, that's it. I will see you on the next one. This has been my Email List Ninja review and walkthrough. Go get it. It's a very worthwhile course. Cheers.